Be in Dhyan Mudra, observe the Swadhisthana Chakra. While observing the Swadhisthana Chakra, now simply raise your energy from Swadhisthana to the Manipur Chakra just above to the navel center. Manipur Chakra, Manipur Chakra, Manipur Chakra, the chakra of solar plexus, the chakra of energy, the chakra of strength, the chakra of strength, empowering ourselves with more strength, empowering to the solar plexus center, and by and by empowering to ourselves. The chakra of strength, the chakra of energy, the chakra of fire, the chakra of solar plexus, Manipur chakra, circulating, rotating hand over the Manipur chakra in a clockwise manner, like we are healing, we are cleansing the Manipur chakra, focusing over Manipur chakra, Manipur chakra. Observe the Manipur chakra, observe the Manipur chakra, observe the Manipur chakra, observe the Manipur chakra, assuming that there is an energy center, there is an energy center, and we are empowering it, healing it, cleansing it as a scientist, as a spiritual scientist. Empowering the Manipur chakra. Manipur chakra is getting more stronger. We are healing it, cleansing the Manipur chakra while rotating hands in a circular manner, while observing over the Manipur chakra. Now simply be in Dhyan Mudra and try to observe the Manipur chakra, the Manipur chakra, the Manipur chakra. While observing the Manipur chakra, simply tap over it like this, tapping with our right hand, with the fingers over the Manipur chakra, tapping over the Manipur chakra, tapping over the Manipur chakra, while observing it, observe the Manipur chakra, while tapping, observe, tap, observe, tap, observe, tapping over Manipur chakra, observe, tapping into the youthfulness, tapping into the energy, tapping into the strength center, tapping over the Manipur chakra. Now relax, be in Dhyan Mudra while observing Manipur chakra. Observe the Manipur chakra, observe the Manipur chakra. Focus, 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 relax. Relax. Rotate hand in circular manner. Make Manipur chakra more relaxed. Strengthen it. Cleansing it. Purifying it. Be in Dhyan Mudra. Focus over Manipur chakra. Focus over Manipur chakra. Focus over solar plexus center. Relax. Relax. Relax, relax. Now simply raising attention from Manipur chakra to the Anahat chakra, to the center of heart, to the center of heart, to the center of heart. Observe the center of heart, focus over center of heart, focus over center of heart, focus over heart center, focus over Anahat chakra, Anahat chakra, Anahat chakra, chakra of emotions, affection and love, Anahat chakra, empowering the Anahat chakra, empowering the Anahat chakra, tapping over the Anahat chakra, Anahat chakra, Anahat chakra, Anahat chakra, Anahat chakra, growing into the capacity of humane emotions, humane affections, humane love, humane divineness. Anahat chakra, empowering the emotional center, Anahat chakra, tapping over center of heart, tapping over center of heart, tapping over center of heart with our right hand, with the fingers, tapping over center of heart, tapping over center of heart while focusing. Lead your focus 110% over the center of heart while tapping it, while tapping the Anahat chakra. Anahat chakra, Anahat chakra, Anahat, Anahat, Anahat. Focus, 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 focus. Tap over Anahat chakra. Focus, focus. Relax, relax, relax. Anahat chakra is getting more clearer, more purifying, more positive, more divine, more healed, more strengthened, more energetic, more balanced. I am cleansing my Anahat chakra. I am cleansing my Anahat chakra. Now simply rotate your hand in circular manner over the Anahat chakra. Don't try to touch it. Don't try to touch the chest. Only hovering over it in a circular manner. Anahat chakra is getting more clearer. I am cleansing my Anahat chakra. I am cleansing my Anahat chakra while focusing and rotating hands over it. I am cleansing my Anahat chakra. My Anahat chakra is getting more relaxed, more strengthened, more balanced, more harmonized. Focusing over Anahat chakra, cleansing the Anahat chakra, empowering the Anahat chakra, growing into the capacity of humane emotions, growing into the capacity of humane emotions, humane emotions. Anahat chakra, Anahat chakra, Anahat chakra. Now relax. Take your hand again in Dhyan Mudra while observing the Anahat chakra. Anahat chakra, Anahat chakra, Anahat chakra, Anahat chakra. Relax, relax, relax. Focus over Anahat chakra. Focus over Anahat chakra. Focus over Anahat chakra. Anahat chakra is getting more healed, more balanced, more clearer. I am cleansing my Anahat chakra. Anahat chakra has become more stable, more purified, crystal clear, energetic, powerful, connected to the divine unknown, connected to the divine unknown, like a satellite connecting to the satellite, connecting to the higher satellite, connecting this antenna, this Wi-Fi of Anahat chakra to the satellite of divine unknown in a harmonious manner towards energizing the humane emotions. Relax, relax, purifying the Anahat chakra while observing it. Observe the Anahat chakra. Observe the Anahat chakra while making your body and mind more comfortable.